what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about this fashionable Louis Vuitton shoes that I'm wearing today. I'm styling up some looks that's going to be all around this shoes. Normally I style up outfit, but I'm styling up these shoes today to show you guys if you are in love with these shoes and you have these shoes in your wardrobe. I just want to show you some looks, and I hope you guys enjoy the looks that I'm showing you guys. And if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, because guys, when you guys subscribe to my channel and watch my video to the end, it literally helped me to grow. I'm growing and I'm so happy for all the subscribers and so happy for you guys that support me, and thank you so much. And you guys, thank you for letting me know that you guys are loving the videos. I absolutely appreciate it. So thank you so much, and keep on watching. See how I style up some looks with this Louis Vuitton shoes. So let's go.
Yeah. No, 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 no. She crazy, I like it. Get it under my skin, baby, let me tuck you in. Put you to sleep right, persuasive, enticing. Burning body like a match, pop like a black cat, light up the whole night. Every time my baby come around me, she can't come and get it. Put her down like Paris, that's grounded. Have you seen different colors? Let me take you high. Look up in the sky, make you pop, pop, pop like power. Yeah, yeah. Pop, pop, pop like power. Yeah, yeah. Girl, you got me caught up. Yeah, yeah. Pop, pop, pop like.
Said you wanna talk in the living room. I'ma take this ride. To get away from you is like the same track on repeat. No matter what, you never get what you need. Anything I do isn't good enough according to you. I'm still messing up, it's like the same songs on repeat. There's no point in staying, that's why I leave. If only I could've saved us before we crashed. Got caught up under these waves, so now we're trapped. Never thought we'd see the end, but I understand. Good things don't last, no, good things don't last. If only we could restart everything we had. But before it fell apart, I'd be cool with that. How do we end up hating each other so fast? Good things don't last, no, good things don't last. I just wanna talk, but you walk away. I want your love, I'm begging you to stay. I know I messed up in the past, but baby, this time we will last, yeah. Cause everything you do wasn't good enough, and every time you try, you would mess it up. It's like the same songs on repeat. There's a point in staying, so please don't leave, yeah. If only I could've saved us before we crashed. Got caught up under